A cooking chat about flavors.
Alex and Mia are standing in a bright, cozy kitchen. The counter is full of fresh ingredients: tomatoes, lettuce, chicken, spices, and a loaf of bread.
Okay, Mia, we've got all the ingredients here. What do you want to start with?
Let's chop the vegetables first. By the way, do you like bell peppers?
I'm not a big fan. The taste is too strong for me. What about you?
I love them. They add such a fresh, slightly sweet flavor to dishes. Try a slice. Maybe you'll change your mind.
Nope, still don't like it. The flavor's too sharp.
Fair enough. What's your favorite vegetable then?
I'd say carrots. They're sweet but not overpowering. Want to try this one? It's super crunchy.
Sure. Oh, this is nice. I like how mild it tastes. It's not too sweet, just right.
Exactly. Now let's add some garlic to the mix. Do you like garlic?
Love it. It gives such a bold, savory flavor. But it's tricky. Too much can ruin a dish.
Totally agree. Garlic adds so much. But if you overdo it, everything just tastes like garlic. Let's not go overboard.
Good idea. By the way, I found this lemon in the fridge. Do you want to add a bit of juice for some tanginess?
Oh yes, lemon makes everything better. I love how refreshing and zesty it is. Can I squeeze it?
Go for it. And while you're at it, taste this olive oil. It's supposed to be high quality.
Wow, it's so smooth and rich. I didn't expect it to have this much flavor. Want to try?
Sure. Oh, this is really good. It's slightly fruity, isn't it?
Yeah, I noticed that. Okay, let's talk about spices. Do you prefer your food spicy or mild?
Spicy, definitely. I love the heat. It adds excitement to the flavors. What about you?
I like a little kick, but not too much. When it's too spicy, I can't taste anything else.
True. By the way, this salt looks fancy. Want to add a pinch?
Sure, but not too much. I hate it when food is too salty. Speaking of which, have you ever tasted something so bland you couldn't even finish it?
Oh yes, bland food is the worst. It's like eating cardboard. You just want to add some seasoning immediately.
Exactly, but too much seasoning can be just as bad. It's all about balance. Anyway, here, taste the soup so far. Does it need anything?
It's good, but I think it needs a little more salt and maybe a dash of pepper.
Got it. Let's fix it up. Do you think it's ready to serve after this?
Almost. I'll taste it again in a minute. By the way, this has been fun. It's nice to cook and chat about flavors.
I agree. It's like combining two of the best things: good food and good company.